Hello, friends. My name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make bouncing mouse game using Scratch. So first, I'll replace the Scratch costume. I'll replace it with a rectangle. A backdrop, so add a backdrop. Choose a backdrop. I'll just choose this. Anyways, now what I want to happen is that this will fall down. I make a new variable for this sprite only called y speed. When flag clicked, forever set y speed to 0. Change y speed by 1. I want to change y speed by random amount. So pick random 0.05, 0.90 to 0.9. I want to change y by the y speed. So then it will accelerate. Now, when it starts, I want to go to an expression of y10. Then x will be a random value between negative 230 to 230. Oops. Negative 0.05, negative 0.9. Now it falls down. The next step is, if it touches the mouse pointer, then to set the y speed to 3. Uh, Set y speed to 8. Oops. Negative 0. Negative 0.1. I'll make this to be a random value also, from 3 to 0.0 to 5. And now I'll give it an x speed, x spd. At the beginning, I'll set this variable to 0. Actually, I set this variable to a random number from 0.2 to 0.4, 0.1, 0.4. And I want to change the x position by the x speed. Change x by x speed. And now, when it does this, I just want to set an x speed to a random value. And I want to point 90 degrees. You'll see why later. No, 1.0 to 3.0. Oops, to 3.0. Oops, I forgot it. Negative 2.0, 3.0. Now, I'll make it to turn by the y speed. I'll add 3 to the y speed. I'll get the absolute value of the y speed so that I won't turn backwards. And finally, I'll multiply the y speed by 3. 3 times the absolute value of the y speed plus 3. I'll multiply this by negative 3, so it will turn backwards. This is the y speed at negative 3 times absolute y speed plus 3. Anyways, next I'll put this in a when I start as a clone, I'll make it to create 3 clones of itself. Next, I only want it to bounce if the y speed is less than a certain value. So I'll write touching mouse pointer and the y speed is less than negative 1.9. Whoops, this is supposed to be 2.0, not negative 2.0. Now I make it to be so that if it touches the if then y position is greater than negative 240, then it should stop. Here I'll put hide, show, whoops, this is supposed to be less than, not negative greater than. It's the negative 230. Now it's working. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, Obako. Bye.